Here we go, guys. Start of CO6. It's our last one. I want you to write down one way that you can multiply to get 60. I want you to write down just one way.
Wait, an equation?
Well, no, just one way to multiply to get 60. Not an equation, just a number times a number.
Wait, did I do this wrong?
So just write down one number. I asked, we're up here, step 1. Follow along.
Do we write it down?
Write it down. Write down one way you can multiply to get 60. Okay. Did anyone write down 1 times something? All right, 1 times what?
60.
All right. Anyone write down 2 times something? What'd you get? 2 times what?
30.
All right. What about 3? Yep. What'd you get? Times 20. What about 4?
15.
15. 5?
12.
12. And 6? 10. Okay. And those are all the ways to multiply to get 60.
Do we write them all down?
I would. This is going to be important for you. Okay. We're going to do something you guys did back in 6th grade called prime factorization. Okay, so down here you're going to see these bubbles, right? These two below 60 multiply to get 60. So what's going to go in this open bubble here?
6.
6. Then these two right here that branch off of 6 multiply to get 6. So what's going to go right here?
3.
Okay. These two that branch off 10 multiply to get 10. So what's going to go right here?
2.
These are called prime numbers. What is a prime number? Okay?
A number that can be multiplied more.
Only by
Only
1. The only way to get that answer is 1 times itself. So the only way to get 11 is 11 times 1. The only way to get 13 is 13 times 1. The only way to get 3 is 3 times 1. So now what they're asking us to do is list them from least to greatest order. So I have 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Now we're going to do this one over here. 4 times what gave you 60?
15.
4 is 2 and what? 2. How would I get 15? Now we're still going to list those from least to greatest order. 2, 2, 3, 5. What do you notice about the 2 prime factorizations? They're the same. So this is asking, what do you notice about the 2 lists of prime factors for 60 in step 2? Does it matter which pair of factors you start with? So here I started with 6 and 10. Here I started with 4 and 15. Did it matter? No. Okay, let's go ahead and flip over the page. I'm going to do 2 with you, and then you guys are going to try 2 on your own. We're going to break up 42. How could I break it up? How could I break it up? What times what gives you 42? 7 and 6. Can you break up 7 anymore?
No.
Can you break up 6 anymore?
Yeah.
To what?
3,
3 and
2.
can I break up the 3 or the 2 anymore?
Yeah.
To what?
1.
1 though. We don't want 1s. So can I break those up anymore? So we're just going to list them in least to greatest order. 2 times 3 times 7. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a trick that I use. Anytime the number ends in a 0, that 0 is a 10, and then you just take the front number and it goes over here.
You're so smart, man.
Sometimes. I don't have many smart bones left there, but there are a few. Can I break up 15?
Yeah.
To what?
5.
5 and 3. Can I break up 10?
Yeah.
To what?
2.
2 and 5.
Can I break any of these up anymore minus using 1?
No.
No. So I write them in least to greatest order. I want you guys to try 48 and 400.
You just use that one. 400.
Hey, let's talk about this. How'd you break up 48?
6 and 8.
6 and 8. How could you break up 6?
3 and 2.
How'd you break up 8?
4 and 2.
And then how do you break up 4?
2.
Now, even if you started with something different, you're still going to end the same way we do. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Even if you started some way different, you should end up the exact same way. What?
I got 2 times 2 times 2 times 3.
You missed a 2 in there somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'm going to use my trick here. 40 and
10.
10. How can I break up 40?
4 and 10.
4 and 10. How do I break up 4?
2 and 5. Oh,
2 and 2.
I said 5.
Well, 2 and 5 is 10. I broke up the 4 first. How do I break up this 10?
2 and 5.
So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 2s and 2 5s. Yes,
I did it for 40. I did 20 and 2.
that's fine. And I bet you ended up the same way, didn't you?
4 2s,
No.
2 5s?
You should have.
Yes, I got it.
Yeah, I didn't answer.
Because even if you did 20 and 2, that would give you 10 and 2. That would give you 5 and 2. So I had 3 2s there and a 5. 3 2s there and a 5.
I did a whole, yeah.
Okay. All right, let's go ahead and switch over to the presentation I just gave you.
So what is it? After this?
That 4 can be broke up more.
Yeah, but the 25 can't be broken out.
Yes, it can. 5 and 5.
It's confusing because you didn't do that with the other.
But then, so
This is CO6. Your last one. Yes, sir. That 10 can be broke up more and that 5.
so
Yeah.
you just keep breaking them
Yes.
up again?
Yes. Break them up till you can't break them up anymore. Great questions, guys.
So is it 4 2s and 2 5s?
Yes. Okay. I can simplify square roots and cube roots. And I'm going to add using prime factorization because we're going to have to use prime factorization. Okay, see, watch what I'm doing right now. Watch, I'm going to flip the page. We're not doing this page. I keep forgetting to get rid of it and I don't. All right, so we're going to go right to where it says example 2. And it'll have the square root 28. We're going to break up that 28. How can I break up that 28? 7 and 4. I love it. Can I break up the 7 anymore?
No.
No. Can I break up the 4 anymore? To what? Can I break anything else up anymore?
No.
So I'm going to list it. 2 times 2 times 7. Only the things that don't have branches coming off of them. The 7 doesn't have a branch and the 2s don't have a branch. The 4 has a branch coming off of it, so we don't use it. Now, here's what we're adding. Because notice now it has a square root symbol. So we're going to do square root. Square root. And since we're doing a square root, we're looking for pairs. I have a pair of 2s. Does everybody see that?
Yeah.
That pair comes out front. Whatever's left over goes on the inside. Now this answer is still not complete. All square roots have how many answers?
Like
2. So what do I still need to put in front of this?
The
Plus,
positive and
minus. Very good. Now my answer is complete. You will need this for next unit. Yes, this is it. That's all it is.
we don't need to check it, right?
Nope, there's no checking.
Let's go.
What if you have like one that's like multiple? Like,
I'll show you. It'll happen. I promise. All right, let's break up this 72.
6 and 12.
6 and 12. What else?
18.
8 and
8 and 9.
9. The closer you get, the closer two numbers you get to each other, the less branches you have to do. So how could I split up 8?
4 and 2.
4 and 2.
Can I split up the 4 or the 2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one?
The 4.
To what?
2, 2.
2.
Can I split any of those 2's up anymore?
No.
Can I split the 9 up?
Yeah.
To what?
3 and 3.
Can I split the 3's up anymore?
No.
All right, so let's write it in order. 2 times 2 times 2, that gets rid of my 2's, times 3 times 3. Now, what Sophia was just asking, what happens if there's more? Do you see a group of 2's here?
Yeah.
But do you also see a group of 3's?
Yeah.
The groups still come out front. 2 times 3. Whatever's left still goes on the inside, which is a 2. Could I simplify this further?
Wait, do we have to do this in
Yep.
Yeah, you could.
Wait, could you put 2, 2 times 3, 3?
Yeah, 2 times, no. You have to make them 1. Could I simplify this right here?
Yeah, you could do 6.
So I could do 6 square root 2. Is this answer complete yet?
Yeah. No, 3 and 1.
No.
No, you have to do them plus minus.
Plus minus. The pairs always come out front. And notice they become 1, like this becomes 1, 2, and this becomes 1, 3 out front. All right, I want you guys to try it. I want the square root of 32 and the square root of 96 broke up. How can I break up 32?
16 and 2.
16 and 2.
Wait, can you do 8? Can you do
8 and 4. 8 and 4?
Yeah.
Yep. I bet we come up with the same thing. Let's see. How could I break up 16?
8 and 2.
8 and 4.
8
4
and
8.
for 16.
Oh.
How do you break up 8?
4 and 2.
4 and 2.
And then how do you break up 4?
2 and 2.
2 and 2. Do you see when the numbers are farther apart, I had to do more trees, didn't I? Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's. Did you agree with that? So I'm looking for pairs. 2. I have 2 sets of 2. Do you agree with that?
Yeah.
So I have 2 times 2
So we only
square root 2. Is that simplified as far as it can go?
Yeah.
No, I have 2 times 2 here, which gives me 4 square root 2, and I have to have my plus minus in front. All right. How about 96?
8 and 12.
8 and 12? How do you break up 8?
4 and 2.
2
How do you break up 4?
and 2.
How do you break up 12?
6 and 2.
How do you break up 6?
3 and 2.
Can I break up anything else that doesn't have a tree coming off of it?
No.
So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s. And 1 3. I'm looking for pairs. There's a pair of 2s. There's a pair of 2s. Do you have any other pairs?
No.
Pairs come out front. Whatever's left goes on the inside. Can I simplify further?
Yeah.
Yes. What's this going to become?
4. Plus minus 4.
Plus minus 4. And what's going to be on the inside?
6.
6.
Very good. What questions do we have about simplifying square roots with prime factorization?
Pretty easy.
It is pretty easy.
I think it's the easiest one, except for CO1 deduction.
Let's go ahead and flip the page. What do you notice I changed?
It's division.
It's what now?
3.
It's a cube root. We're going to start the same way. We've already broke up 72 once. We said by 8 and 9. And then I broke up the 8. How did I break up the 8?
4 and 2.
Could I break up the 4 more?
Yeah, 2 and 2.
2 and 2. Could I break up the 2 more? Can I break up the 9?
Yes.
To what?
3 and 3.
Can I break up anything anymore?
No.
All right, so let's write it out.
2, 2, 3.
Do you agree?
Yeah.
2, 2.
3 2s and 2 3s. Now, since it's a cube root, we're looking for sets of
3.
3. And the process stays the same. The group of 3 comes out front. Whatever's left goes on the inside. Is that as simplified as you can go?
No.
No. I have 2 cube root, what? 9. Do I put the plus minus in front of this?
No, it's a cube.
No, because it's a cube root. You only do that on square roots. All right, I want you to try.
Yeah, that's a
128, the cube root of 128.
For the last one.
Yep. Okay, how could I break up 128?
16
How much?
16 and 8.
16 and 8?
Yeah.
For how do I break up 16?
4 times 4.
4 times 4? How do I break up the 4s?
2 times 2.
How do I break up the 8?
4 and 2.
And then I break up the 4 with?
2, 2, 2.
And if you didn't do it exactly this way, you still should come out with the same answer. So I have 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, times 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, times 2. I'm looking for groups of
3.
2 times 2, and in the inside I will have
2.
2.
But you
Is this 3 right there important?
not really.
Very important. Without it, it means it's a square root. With it, it means it's a cube root. Very important.
Can you simplify the 2 and 2?
Can you?
Yeah.
To what?
4.
4 cube root 2. Do we put a plus minus in front of it?
No.
Why not?
Because it's a cube.
Because it's cube root, and we only do that to square roots. All right. We're almost done, guys. Yahoo. You will have situations like this.
What the freak?
What the heck?
You just made it hard.
Now, hold on. This is CO5. We just learned this.
It's terrible.
What would I do first?
Oh, yeah. Minus 6.
No, divide by 10.
Divide by 10. So now I have x squared equals 60. Now, it's not proper really to leave it as a decimal. We will in certain cases, because like when we're talking about inches, I'm not going to say 2 to the square root of 4 inches, am I? That sounds dumb. I'd rather say, oh, it's about equal to 7.2 inches. Okay? But we need to know how to do both ways. So if I take the square root of 60, do you notice how it doesn't come up with a whole number? It's not a perfect square. So that's when we're going to break it up. 6 times 10. That's when we're going to do the prime factorization. And I will tell you when we're going to use the prime factorization and when we're not. So now I list them in order. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Since it's a square root, I'm looking for pairs. Good. So do you see this right here? That comes out front. What goes on the inside?
3 times 5.
3 times 5.
Which you can make 15.
Which now I can make that 15. What am I missing?
Plus minus.
Plus minus. All right, if you go to the top of the next page, and the best part about this is when we do it like that, no checks. I want you guys to try this one. Does anyone want to be in here to work on their homework that they just got yesterday? You were already pulled.
Oh, yeah.
You were already pulled. Kate and I got you already, but you're already pulled. Anybody else? You guys are pulled? Okay.
I don't know if it's, there's a decimal on this one too, right?
No. Well, yeah, there's a decimal, and then you have to break it out. So here we go. What would you get rid of first?
The 6.
All right. 3x squared equals,
84.
and then I would divide by 3.
28.
X squared equals 28. Did that give you a decimal when you took the square root?
Yeah.
So then we break it up.
7, 4.
Okay, and how do I break up 4?
2, 2.
Can I break that up any more? So I have 2 times 2 times 7. I'm looking for that pair. So x equals 2 square root 7, positive or negative. I think you guys did an excellent job today. Go ahead and put binders away.